English grammar. Articles. In English grammar, articles are words that are used before nouns to specify the noun's meaning. There are two types of articles in English: definite articles and indefinite articles. Definite articles are used to refer to specific nouns that are known to the reader or listener. The definite article in English is the. For example, the sentence, "I saw the dog," refers to a specific dog that the speaker has seen before. Indefinite articles are used to refer to general nouns that are not known to the reader or listener. The indefinite articles in English are a and an. The article a is used before nouns that start with a consonant sound, while the article an is used before nouns that start with a vowel sound. For example, the sentence, "I saw a dog," refers to any dog in general. Here are some more examples of how articles are used in English. Definite articles. The cat is on the mat. I went to the store. I read the book. Indefinite articles. I saw a dog. I need a pen. There is an apple on the table. Articles can be tricky to use, but they are an important part of English grammar. By understanding how to use articles correctly, you can improve your English writing and speaking skills. Here are some additional rules for using articles in English. Use the definite article with singular nouns that are unique or have been mentioned before. For example, I saw the Eiffel Tower in Paris. Use the indefinite article with singular nouns that are general or have not been mentioned before. For example, I saw a dog in the park. Use the indefinite article an with singular nouns that start with a vowel sound. For example, I saw an apple in the tree. Do not use articles with plural nouns unless the noun is specific or has been mentioned before. For example, I saw dogs in the park. Do not use articles with non-countable nouns. For example, I need water.